This is leisure class. Ray Throckmorton, Chip Throckmorton. It's a Hackercraft. $1993, 24 feet. This is classic glass. Cherry and Girl Canada. Daniel is attached also. 1978, 19 feet. Sea Ray. Ray says he's going to redo the upholstery. There's Junior. There's No Kidding. Michael and Peggy trying it out. New coral. Show tripod.
Right here is supposed to be really long. Yeah.
Here's the other side of leisure class. And the other side of the Canada boat. The other side of Lumber Long. Still haven't had any offers. Alright, this is Tater. I'm doing this for the poker run. Alright, that's the white-headed Donzie. How sweet it is. He said he grew up as a kid working on that boat at the marina. This is a torpedo. They use two vehicles to tow these boats here in Evansville, Indiana. This is a 19-foot racing runabout. 1948, 158 horsepower. This is one of the 7 boats that went on the Ohio River Cruise. '71 Donzie power, 290 horsepower.
Yeah, it's a U-joint. As soon as I raise the lower unit up, here what?
Didn't like that. Back from a successful venture. Not sure the details on this boat. I'll have to go over and take a look. This is Dan and Keith Jarrett's Ben's Toy. One of 3 linemen here. The 1952 15-foot lineman. Modern 4-cycle. Elizabeth Ann. Elizabeth Ann, 1954, 22-foot Chris Graff. Mark Millard, 283, 185 horsepower engine. There's the other side of the lineman. Alright, that's Wally and Rose's other boat. Perpetual motion.
That engine turned backwards, they're driving off the front.
Could be.
Flywheel right there.
Yeah. That's where they all are. Flywheels in front. There are a few of them that have flywheels in the back.
Oh, what?
My Chris Graff.
That's the first engine I've ever seen that drove off the harmonic power. I've never seen one do that before.
Perpetual motion, Larry Midlet, Lakeland, Tennessee, 18-foot, 1960, Chris Graff Cavalier, 283. Wally and Rose's Century Arabian, 1972, classic glass. Now, that was towed behind their tow vehicle, and Rose Marie was towed behind this classic glass. Michael's Miss Kitty. Tom Burley's newish 19-foot lineman. He got it in February, maybe January. '68 lineman, 165 horsepower. Yet to be named. Fiona Lee was on there before.
All of a sudden, it goes, makes this stupid noise. I go, what's that noise? My phone goes, that would be a message. I'm so I did.
Here's Michael's Miss Kitty.
That's where these kids don't remember. It was just
This kitty is a 1958 Chris Craft Utility, 17 foot, 131 horsepower. K engine with 2 carburetors. Rosemary, let me give you the Rosemary's vitals. Wally Rose and Rose Latham, 1953, Imperial Sportsman, 16 feet. That's a 35 horse Johnson. This won most original Pickwick last year. Garwood Incident, Charles and Lisa Savage and Fairhope, 1948, 115 horsepower. Charles, they hit a stop or something yesterday and we pulled it out of the water. Bent prop, some channel locks. He was able to bend the prop. That's something like a channel. Seawood, SEA. National Geographic magazine. It's an ancient one. That was in 1948.
Trying to catch this? Or he used to be south of down now. Okay. Roy Orbison's house.
Production verification certificate.
Hey Mike, did you alright?
So 1946, this is 1948, this is 1946.
Needs to be tightened. Want to do it now?
Check out the cooler. Check out the old radio.
I go 2 rounds. Not 2 rounds, but 2 packs.
Well, this is Art's boat. I don't know if I videotaped it before we put the cover on there or not. Alright, this is Charles 1946 Garwood. What's the block? Who made that engine?
This is a Chrysler M7.
Chrysler? Okay.
Yep, Chrysler M7. Everything, you know, all one piece, the same numbers as on the build sheet, so it's the original motor.
Terrific. And very little water in there.
Yeah, it's got a
You got a new bottom.
3M bottom on it, so.